So, are you trying to take someone to court, but there's always this problem? They are never served. Is this a mistake? Or is it a fatal flaw? Yes, sometimes people are dodging court hearings, but improper service can bring your case to a halt. In this video, I'm going to tell you 3 ways where you can have a person served, and even if they are dodging court hearings, your case still can be heard. This is Coffee and Tea. I hope you have your coffee. So, I see many people coming to the courthouse, filing paperwork to try to have someone served to come to court for various reasons. So they get the court date, the hearing is here. You get to court, the other person is not here, but you think nothing of it until you hear the judge say your case either has to be adjourned, continued, or dismissed. You're in shambles because, for one, you took out a day from work to come down to have justice be served, and it can't be. 2, whatever situation you had going on or whatever problem you were trying to get resolved, it can happen that day. So, most people are in shambles. They're depressed, they're confused, they're frustrated, or all the above. So here are 3 ways that you can have a person served, and even though they are dodging the court hearing, you can still be heard. The first way to have a person served is by a court officer or a sheriff. Now, in doing that, you need to have a couple addresses for the person to be served, because sometimes the court officer has failed attempts also. So you need to find a good address where the person lives or a place of employment. Those are crucial into having the person personally served by a court officer. They have to make a certain amount of attempts before they bring the summons back saying that the person was not served, or they couldn't verify information, or they couldn't serve the person. The second way to have a person served is through certified mail through the post office. In doing that, make sure you sign the summons saying that you had it served, and when you take the summons and the paperwork to the post office for them to be served, make sure you get the green card, and make sure you get some type of receipt that you have mailed the paperwork for the person to be served. Make sure you cross all your T's and dot all your I's when you have the person served through certified mail, because you have to get that green card back from the post office since they served the person, or that they signed for it, or someone signed for it. Just something saying that you were aware of the hearing. The third way, not the last, but it's a little tedious, is to have the person served by posting in publication. And in doing that, if all else fails as far as the other 2 attempts, you have to have your case published. You have to have it published. And depending on what city that you're in, they'll tell you how to have it posted and published, or where to have it posted and published. And normally you have to have that posted and publications up for a couple weeks before your hearing is done. So if all 3 of those attempts are done, or all 3 of those ways to have the person served, if you have got one of the 3, your case can be heard even if the person does not come to court. So just remember, a little something to chew on. They must be served in order for your case to be heard. Again, this is Coffee and Tea. It's always coffee time. Make sure you have your coffee ready. Until the next video.